Boston has long been a global hub for medical research and advancement. One biopharmaceutical company working to develop rare disease treatments is U.S. and China-based CanBridge. Its U.S. headquarters opened in Burlington in June of 2022. Founder and CEO James Zhu has worked in rare diseases for more than 20 years.
CanBridge has a pipeline of 12 products in rare disease, including one in rare oncology.
CanBridge has 4 drugs in clinical trials, but is also focused on gene therapy. Zhu says rare disease treatments often have to be administered over a lifetime, causing a burden to the patient and the healthcare system.
Gene therapy could potentially be a one-time treatment or a curative treatment.
Gene therapies that doctors and scientists at CanBridge want to make accessible and efficient, with potentially lower doses and better targeting.
Some data generated by our collaborators at UMass Medical Center related to the drug that we're developing for spinal muscular atrophy.
Jerry Cox is a clinical geneticist at Boston Children's Hospital, as well as CanBridge's chief medical officer.
The most straightforward approach to treating these diseases would be to supply a normal copy of the gene back to the patient.
While CanBridge's gene therapies are not yet in human clinical trials, scientists here are testing ways to make those gene-based drugs.
There are 2 parts to drug development. One is discovering it.
Pavan Gatti is head of chemistry, manufacturing, and controls.
These kind of drugs that we develop are biological drugs, and these need to be produced in living cells. What you're looking at is a bioreactor where cells are producing the drug.
The CanBridge team is excited for the future, says Cox, who knows how meaningful it is to work on a successful treatment.
One of the diseases I worked on is a rare disease called Niemann-Pick type B. It affects about 1 in 300,000 newborns. This is a disease in which there's an enzyme deficiency that leads to the accumulation of a waxy substance within particular organs of the body, mainly the liver, spleen, and lungs.
Those organs become enlarged and severely damaged. When Cox was at Sanofi Genzyme, he led development programs for a drug that can now treat Niemann-Pick.
The drug is called Xenpozyme. The generic name is Olipidase, and it was approved in 2022. So it took over 20 years from the time that I first started working on it to be approved.
One patient whose life was transformed by the drug is 15-year-old Kayla Guy. Her father, David, talked to us from their home in Florida.
When she was about 2 or 3, she clearly had a distended stomach, and everyone was telling us it's baby fat, she'll grow out of it.
One doctor, however, was alarmed and sent Kayla for a litany of tests for everything from mono to leukemia. All came back negative. Guy did his own online research and found that the symptoms of Niemann-Pick lined up.
We also got our genetics run, and my wife and I were both carriers. And there's a 1 in 40,000 chance that you're a carrier, and then a 25% chance that your offspring will actually have the disease.
How did you and your wife and your daughter process this?
It was frightening. It was scary. We were told that there was no treatment at the time, but they were working on something.
From ages 7 to 14, Kayla took part in clinical trials for Olipidase, which is given via infusion.
It was pretty noticeable that it worked almost right away. Her stomach started to basically get smaller and smaller and smaller.
She also started to grow, eat normally, and become more active. So active that she eventually became a state champion in gymnastics.
She has straight A's, she's in advanced programs, she's an incredible athlete.
Kayla still gets infusions every 2 weeks for 4 hours.
She went from, having a potentially very challenging future and maybe not having much of a future at all, to whatever her dreams are, she can now do because of this treatment.
It's incredible. And back to CanBridge, the company just learned that its latest gene therapy data for spinal muscular atrophy will be presented at the top gene therapy conference in the country. The Orphan Drug Act was passed in the U.S. back in 1983 to help facilitate the development of rare disease drugs, allowing companies to receive clinical research subsidies and tax credits, among other things. Still ahead, words of advice from a wise young man.